Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and this is a video to let you see how and where to change the user account settings. Now, in this computer, for example, I have two accounts. One is the main account that I created. First account you ever create in Windows 8 is always the administrator account. That user can do everything in the computer, change all the settings. He is the master, he is in control. Then you will create other accounts, and by default the computer always creates what are called standard accounts. Standard accounts are dependent on the administrator if they want to change some of the settings. For example, a standard user cannot install a new piece of software without the username and password of the administrative account. And sometimes you might want to have these accounts that are more into the administration. If you are sure and confident that the other account, the other person using that account is somebody safe that won't do anything bad to your computer, or in an environment where everybody might need to actually install pieces of software, well, you might want to change the standard accounts into administration accounts. How do you do that in Windows 8? Well, you'll go into the upper or lower right corner into the Charms bar, or of course swipe the screen from right to left if you have a touch screen. Go into the search, click settings, type user, and you'll see that the first item in the middle here is user accounts. Click on that. People that used to play with user accounts in Windows 7 or Vista will, even in Windows XP, will kind of see that this is the main window they were used to when they were managing other accounts. So here's the main account that I'm using now, but you might want to manage another account. So you'll click manage another account. There you'll see all the accounts available. So here at the top I've got mine, administrator, and you've got this one also. I want to change this account type and put it administrator because it is not administrator at this time. So I'll change the account type. It's standard, as you can see here, for the Learn Windows 8 Now. I'll put it administrator and then click change the account type. It's as simple as that. As simple as that. You'll be able to change from standard to administrator, or the other way around. Maybe you've got a second or third account and they are administrator, and now you don't want that anymore. You want to have the control of what's happening. What's important to understand here is that in a computer, for the best security, usually it's best to have only one administrator and using standard users for the other accounts. It keeps your computer at a maximum security level because since these other accounts cannot install software, it prevents problems. It also prevents some viruses from actually infecting the machine because they don't have the privileges to access all the files in your computer. So it's really important to weigh in on what's the good and the bad points of putting only administrative accounts or using just one administrator and having standard accounts. A lot of people take security for granted, and because they get annoyed of being asked all the time the password, or being asked to type in the password to access or install programs, they tend to just change these accounts and say, oh, look, I'll put you administrator and you'll be able to install what you want. you got to be careful about that, because the people that have administrative privileges, they can do anything they want in your computer. So just be careful about that, because lots of things can happen to your computer if you aren't careful about security. If you enjoy these videos, click the subscribe button at the top of the screen. You'll be informed when new videos are online. Maybe you got that new Windows 8 machine and just wanna learn more about it because you're a little lost. It's a great place to be. You can also ask or request a video if you'd like to see a feature reviewed here. And if you want to learn more, we got lots of videos online and lots more coming up, so it's a great place to come by. So thanks for watching, and hope you come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Bye bye.